Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dion, Crazy Coupon Cravers. Today is such a beautiful day. I enjoyed it. I ended up having to go this morning to the doctor. I'm having problems with my back and stuff, but I got to go get an MRI in a couple weeks and stuff like that. But they say I have an old person's back and I got spurs on your back, and I've never heard of that. But I'm gonna find out what's going on, and maybe they can do something to help me because I've been in a lot of pain. But thank you for tuning in, and it was such a beautiful day. It was like almost 70 degrees. So just tell me how everything's going and how your weather is and all that stuff. We ended up going to Walgreens. I ended up having to do today was the last day for the $10 for the P&G thing, and so I wanted to use that. But the $5 I haven't been able to use, so I don't know. I've heard other people are having problems. I thought with the personal thing that I bought, it would have. Well, I bought these Venus. I thought with this was personal, that the $5 would come off, but it didn't. So maybe it's just like makeup and stuff. So I'm gonna go back by Wednesday or Thursday to finish trying to see if that one will work for me. But we ended up going to Walgreens, and these were $7.99 a piece. You can buy the Gillette ones too. These are Gillette Venus, the Comfort Slide ones, but they're $7.99. There's a $7 digital, so I think that is a fantastic deal. So it comes to $15.98 for both of them. With the $7 off, it's $8.96, and then so then you can use Walgreens cash if you don't use a booster. I didn't have a booster this week, so I paid $8.96 out of pocket, and then I got a $6 register reward back. So I think that's a fantastic deal. So it's $2.96 or $1.98 a piece. So I think that is a fantastic deal on that. I ended up buying the four P&G because my booster was gonna or digital, the $10 thing for the P&G was expiring, so I decided to get the P&G stuff. So this is $5.49. There's $1.50 digital on that. Altogether, it's for everything. It's $29.96. I bought the Bounce, $5.49, and then I ended up buying the Tide, and then the 16 count of Tide. So I had $1.50 and $1.50 for these. So I ended up getting $6 off for those. It comes to $21.96. And then I used the $10. And then, so this is my receipt for it. And this is where the coupons, the 7, the 10, all that. So my out of pocket was really low. It was $13.94 plus tax. So I ended up using that $10 register reward. So it would have been $23.94 plus tax. So, and then you would have got the $10 back. So it would end up being 13 or 15.10 that you would have spent for all those. So minus the $10 register reward that I had, so that you would get $10 back. So I think that was a good deal. I ended up buying a couple more stuff. These were on sale, 2 for $7, but I ended up getting 50 cents for each one on ibotta. So it ended up making these $6 for both, or $3 a piece. So I think that's a good deal, and my family likes it, so I got that. We needed some snacks. Also, DiGiorno pizza is $7.99, buy one get one free, so it's like $4 a pizza, and that's really good. So if you like Dorgino, I can't say it, so pick that up. And I ended up I thought this was a good deal. These are $9.98 over at Walmart, but these are $8 a piece, or 2 for 16. So these are the big ones, and it's 70 floated ounce. So, but I thought that was a good deal. I've never seen these in our Walgreens store, but I thought that was a good 2 for 16. So And like I said, it's cheaper than Walmart. So, and that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed and you like to subscribe, just give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you for all my old subscribers. And I very much appreciate you guys, and I love you guys. And just keep watching my station. I very much appreciate it. And God bless you. Have a blessed day. Bye.